What's up, YouTubes? Welcome back to Hot Trades. Happy Friday, March the 12th, TGIF. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome. The purpose of this channel is for me to quickly scan the market every morning before the market opens for top performing stocks and try to find out why these stocks are performing really well in pre-market. And I'll also be doing a little bit of technical analysis, so taking a look at the charts for all these stocks to see if they can give us any clues as to what direction these stocks might continue in. So if you enjoy the content, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and let's get right into it. So this morning I'll be taking a look at Entera Bio, GigaMedia, ContraFect, and Seelos Therapeutics. So let's start off with Entera Bio, ticker symbol Entx. These guys are up about 49% this morning with just above 8 million shares traded already in pre-market. So really good pre-market volume. Let's find out why these guys are performing really well this morning. I know these guys came out with this news came out really yesterday before the close, sometime yesterday, and the stock went from, I don't know, $2 to $7. So it had a big move yesterday as well. So this news is from yesterday. Let's see what it says. So Entera Bio Limited announces positive Topline EB613 phase 2 biomarker data. So I'm gonna let me see what this says. So I'm gonna skip this. I think these guys come out with earnings in a few weeks, so please be careful if you're looking to trade these. I'm not sure if this is the company, but yeah. So let me read this and see what it says. So Entera Bio, a leader in development of orally delivered large molecule therapeutics, announced the complete 3-month bone biomarker data analysis from the ongoing phase 2 clinical trial of EB613. Not sure what it tells us here. So EB613 is an orally delivered human parathyroid hormone, or PTH, positioned to be the first oral bone building anabolic product to treat osteoporosis. Okay, so that's what the drug is for. It's for osteoporosis patients. The phase 2 clinical trial of EB613 is a 6-month dose ranging placebo controlled study in menopausal female subjects with osteoporosis or low bone mineral density, and is being conducted at 4 leading medical centers in Israel to evaluate the safety of EB613 and identify the best doses for a potential phase 3 registration trial. The trial endpoints, blah blah blah. So there's a lot more to this article. If you want to go through this and read this on your own, please let me know and I'll send you the link. But basically that's why the stock is performing really well this morning, because of the phase 2 data was positive, the biomarker data was positive, and that's why the stock is performing really well. Again, I'm going to be taking a look at the chart for this stock later in the video, so keep watching. So up next on our list we have GigaMedia, ticker symbol GIGM. These guys are up about 37% this morning with just about 3.3 million shares traded this morning. So let's find out why these guys are trading higher this morning as well. So GIGM. I don't think I was able to find any news on this, but there's this that might help us a little bit. So the stock price of GigaMedia has increased by over 40% pre-market today. This is what you should know about the company. The price of Taipei, Taiwan-based GigaMedia Limited (GIGM) has increased over 40% in pre-market today. There is no direct news from the company and is as to why the stock price is going up. So it appears there are external factors at play. GigaMedia is known for providing digital entertainment services in Taiwan and Hong Kong. The company operates Funtown, a digital entertainment portal that offers mobile and browser-based casual games. For example, it offers mahjong and a traditional Chinese Thai-based game, casual card and table games, online card games, and chance-based games such as bingo, lotto, horse racing, sigbo, slots, and various casual games. Plus, the company also provides sports games and role-playing games like Tales Runner, a multiplayer online obstacle running game, Yum 100, not sure what that is, a story-based game that targets female players, blah blah blah, female blah blah blah. So there's a lot more games that they offer. For the third quarter of 2020, Giga reported revenues of 3 million with a gross profit of 1.2 million, an operating loss of 0.36 million, and a net loss of 0.25 million. A total revenue increase of 11% if compared to the last quarter, and gross profit margin of blah 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 blah. So it's not telling us why these guys are performing really well. Plus, GigaMedia entered and executed a convertible note purchase agreement to acquire ownership of 10 million principal amount of convertible promissory notes issued by blah blah blah. So skip all of that. Yesterday, RTnews.com pointed out that the Taiwan stock market finished higher in 3 straight sessions as it garnered over 350 points or 2.3% along the way. The global focus of the Asian market has been upbeat with support expected from the oil and technology stocks, blah, 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 blah. So there's not really anything here that's telling us why the stock is performing really well. If you do know why these guys are performing really well in the last few days, please let me know. Again, I'm going to be taking a look at the chart of this stock to see if it can give us any clues as to what direction that stock might continue in. So let's move on to the next. We have ContraFect, ticker symbol Cfrx. These guys are up about 34% this morning with about 2.68 million shares traded in pre-market. So ContraFect announces BARDA contract award for up to 86.8 million and provides business outlook. So let me skip all of this and get right into the article itself. So ContraFect Corporation, a clinical stage biotechnology company focused on the discovery and development of direct lytic agents as new medical modalities for the treatment of life-threatening antibiotic-resistant infections, today announced that it has been awarded a cost share contract from the Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority, BARDA, part of the Office of the Assistant Secretary for Preparedness and Response at the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. Under the terms of the contract, the company will receive 9.8 million in initial funding and up to an additional 77 million. The initial funding will be used to support ContraFect's ongoing pivotal phase 3 superiority study of exobacchus in patients with staph aureus bacteremia. There's a lot of funny names in these that I haven't seen before, including right-sided endocarditis. Under the terms of the agreement, and if supported by phase 3 study data, BARDA may provide the company with additional funding upon achievement of key milestones to continue the advancement of blah 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 through FDA product approval and completion of post-approval commitments. So this is from the CEO. I'm going to skip this. Again, if you want to go through this and read, there's a lot more to this article that I really don't want to get into. Again, I'm just going to focus on the headline that it's good news for these guys. They've been awarded with an 86 million blah 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 for their business. So that's why the stock is performing really well in pre-market. So lastly, we have Seelos Therapeutics, ticker symbol SEEL. These guys are up about 30% this morning with about 5.72 million shares traded in pre-market. So let's find out why these guys are performing in pre-market here as well. So Seelos Therapeutics shares are trading higher after BTIG initiated coverage on the stock with a buy rating and a price target of $14 per share. So $14 per share for these guys is a pretty it's a massive price target upgrade, right? I think they're trading around $4 right now. So for them to get $14, I'm not sure why they gave them $14, but it seems like a pretty massive price target upgrade. And these guys I've seen this BTIG, I've seen the name around quite a few times. So people seem to think that these guys are reputable. So that's why the stock is performing really well in pre-market. So let's take a look at the charts for all of these stocks. So let's start off with Entx. So Entx, again, like I said, this news came out yesterday. So yesterday, and then the stock went from $4 or something like that to all the way to $7.87. So that's what I'll be looking for this morning. So the level I'll be watching, I'll just be paying attention to see if we can get back above the high from yesterday, which is now the all-time highs. So again, these guys are up about 55% this morning, and the level I'm watching is this $7. Let me put a line right here. So I'm going to be watching this is $7.87, just because it's the high from yesterday. Let's see if we can get back above that. If not, then yeah, just see what it does. Like, it might want to go sideways and digest this big move from yesterday. But yeah, that's what I'll be watching. If not, be careful. Make sure it doesn't go back below yesterday's low, which is around $4, right? $3.96. If we get back up below this level, and then there's this huge gap that we might be looking to fill all the way back down to $1, and yeah, so that's pretty dangerous. So these are the two levels that I'll be paying attention to. So up next we have GIGM. GIGM up 31% this morning. So for the resistance, for support to say, so for support I'll be watching this previous high right here, which is around $4.29. So as you can tell, we tested this level right here and failed. We've tried to get back to this level, and we've been struggling to get back at that level. So we finally broke above this level with the news that they got this morning, and it's above it now. So that's the level we're looking at for it to hold. If we can hold this $4.29 and then curl off and go higher from there, that would be a really good sign. Otherwise, yeah, so that's the level I'll be paying attention to. Below that, I don't really trust it, but yeah, so that's the only level I'll be paying attention to. And then up next we have CEEL. So the levels I'll be looking at, again, I'll be watching this for this previous high here at $4.44 for resistance, and then for support. So we're right in between these two. We're looking to open up right here, so in between resistance and support. So again, for support, I'm watching this previous high, which is $4.44, and then for support I'll be watching $4.48. And if that breaks, and then watch for $3, and yeah, so basically $3, $2.97, which is $3. So these are the levels I'll be watching for this one. And then lastly we have Cfrx. Cfrx, again, looking to open off above the previous high. So we tested here, and here, and we've been struggling to get back above the $7 resistance level, and we finally broke above that today, this morning. So we're looking to open up around $7.90. So this is the level I'll be looking for it, watching for it to hold. If we can stay above this level, again, $7, and maybe just hold it and digest the move for this massive move from the last few days. So we've been going up. So yesterday had a massive move as well. So the chart has been looking fairly good. So we've had how many green days now in a row? So around three. So this is the fourth green day in a row. So again, it might just be looking to base off around $7 and digest this move, but the level I'm paying attention to is the $7. If we can hold above the $7 and move higher, that would be a really good sign. If not, watch out for yesterday's low, the close of yesterday, which is $6.65. So if we can hold these two levels and move higher from there, that would be a really good sign. And yeah, so that's it for this video, guys. Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit the like, subscribe. Have a wonderful weekend, and thank you for watching.